The problem I had was on page 59, and it was number 4, and it reads, a 7th grade class sold 82 tickets for the concert. Adult tickets cost $8 each, and children's tickets cost $3 each. The total sales were $431. How many adult tickets and how many children's tickets were sold? Now, before we get started on how we are going to solve this problem, we need to step back and do what George Polya said. And we need to first understand what the problem is, plan how we're going to solve the problem, carry out that plan, and then look back. So let's understand. What we know is that for every adult ticket that was sold, there was $8 earned. For every child's ticket that was sold, there was $3 earned. We know that there were 82 tickets that were sold total, and we know that the total amount of money was $431. What is this asking us? What this is asking us is how many of that 82 tickets belong to adults, and how many of those 82 tickets belong to the children. Now, earlier in the chapter, it talks about other strategies that can be used to solve word problems. And some of those strategies are using a graph, using an equation, drawing a picture, which is what we did, and the one that I like the best is taking a break and trying again. I like that one because sometimes that's what we need to do to kind of step back away from the problem when it gets to be too tough for us. Of course, there are other strategies, but I like some of those. And so let's go back to what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a guess and check. What this means is that we're going to guess what we think the answer is, and then we're going to check and see if it's right. So since we have 82 tickets, let's go ahead and let's just break that in half. So half of 82 would be 41. So we're going to have 41 tickets that belong to adults, and we're going to have 41 tickets that belong to children. Now we know the adult tickets cost $8, and we know that the children's tickets cost $3. For us to find out how much money they earned when they sold 41 tickets, we're going to multiply that. So 41 times 8 is 328. So that is how much money they earned when they sold 41 tickets. Now let's see how much money they would have earned if they had sold 41 children's tickets. And that comes up to $123. Now let's see if the total between these two is going to add up to $431. So we have 328 plus 123. Okay? So we're going to carry here. That's 11. That's 5. And this is 4. Well, $451 is way too much because that is more than 431. So that's too much. So let's think about what we can do. What we can do is, since we know that the adult tickets are $8, that is a lot more than what the children's tickets are. So let's go ahead and try maybe a smaller number of tickets. So let's see if 37 is going to work. So 37 tickets sold times $8, that's going to come out to be $296. Let's try 45 tickets because we know that there was a total of 82 tickets. So in order for us to have 37 adult tickets, we would have to have 45 children's tickets because we know that we have to have 82 tickets. So times 3, that's 15, 12, 13, $135. Now let's add this together and see if this adds up. So that's 1, 13, 431. We did it. We figured it out. So there were 37 adult tickets that were sold, and there were 45 children's tickets that were sold. And and we pretty much did do that last part, which was look back. Let's look back, and we see that it was $431. We did it.
Are you using rope?